If our trip here is any indication of your work, I know that I'm going to be very confident in the kind of trip that we're going to be able to put together for my clients. One thing that I'm really excited about launching is an idea that we developed during this time is to go to local cooking classes and introducing different foods from regions of France so that we can showcase the food, the wine, the olive oils and things like that, and put together an itinerary solely based on that region, like Provence, and then have you, through me, put together with Deluxe France in partnership in a full itinerary. Our clients, you can come and enjoy that food here in Provence, or in Paris, or in the Loire Valley, or even in Normandy, right?
There is so many regions with a lot of local specialty.
Right.
We say that every village has its own specialty, and there is over 36,000 cities and villages in France. So that might be a real large choice of options for you to create itinerary.
Right.
But we will be, of course, very excited to follow you on that kind of idea, and we are inspired by that. So I'm sure we can come up with a great itinerary following this path that you are creating.
Yeah, I'm super excited and very confident that we're going to be able to put some beautiful itineraries for our clients watching, and
Yeah.
I'm super excited. And with this, I just want to thank you for an unforgettable experience.
There was also, I'm very grateful that you accepted this invitation, that you were part of.
Sorry, get a little emotional sometimes.
That this little trip happened so well also, because it's, you never know, you have to anticipate as much as possible, but sometimes there are last minute things to face, but it was pretty smooth. It was a good connection, especially with you, I have to say. I'm happy also to do this little video to remind us of this nice trip and this experience. So, no, it was a real pleasure to welcome you. And a very nice experience for me too, because every trip it's also a trip for me.
Right.
Even if I put together this in advance, it's always exciting then to be on the field, to meet the people, to have the new connection, and to know that you will be doing the word to mouth. You will come also with new ideas, as the one we discussed previously. So all of this make my job so interesting and so exciting. Even through the years, I'm more and more motivated about the entire industry.
Yeah, and we were just saying earlier today how hard our jobs are and experiencing, this difficult work. But truly, we do this because we want to bring that passion to our audience, to our clients, and just have everyone be able to come and enjoy the beauty of France. And so I'm really thrilled that we had this opportunity, so thank you. From the bottom of my heart.
Thank you to you, and I'm very proud also that my country and my region is attracting you and all your clients.